All right, Chris, here you go, brother. 2 boxes of the all-new 2017 Contenders Draft Football. Big hits, no whammies. All right, and we're off. No. I'll let you buy the last Cowboy spot though, for 35 bucks. I'll let it go for 35. Marshawn Lattimore out of Ohio State, your first college ticket. Chris. Oh, that's a insert. Adam Shaheen, college ticket. Can I get my allowance? Chad Hansen out of Cal. College ticket. Chad Hansen. Murph, sounds good, brother. I'll if you don't comment on the post, I'll comment after I'm done with this. Hopefully it's still there. If you don't get to it. Jordan Howard to 99. Parallel. And Tyus Bowser. Seth Russell, college ticket. Oh, wrong sec. Those are the inserts. Boop, boop, boop. And are we going to get a parallel ticket here? Let's see. D'Angelo Henderson, college ticket. D'Angelo. All right, box 1. All there was a base parallel. No, they're included. Anytime it's random teams, they're always included. The only time they're separate is if it's pick your team. That's the beauty of a random team. Just someone's going to get them same price. Shelton Gibson out of West Virginia. College ticket. Tre'Davious White out of LSU. College ticket. O.J. Howard out of Alabama, numbered 16 of 25, bowl ticket. There we go. Out of Bama. 16 of 25. Oh, that's for the flawless one. For the flawless Contenders draft break. Demoria Stringfellow. Dang, 13 of 15 playoff ticket. So same as one of Brandon's, we had both a bowl and playoff ticket in the same box. Pretty sick. Eddie Jackson out of Alabama. college ticket. And I did it again. Cole Hicatini? College ticket. Hicatini? Chris, there you have it, brother.